Alright, so looking at our last section in this unit, we're going to be talking about elementary series and alternating series. So these are two things that we've looked at, so we're just kind of recapping. I'm going to do this in a couple videos. The first thing that we want to write down and make sure that we can easily write, create, like we've done in the past, or memorize. So these are four very common power series, the elementary series, that we need to know for the test, for the AP test and the unit test. So go ahead and I would pause the video and write these down. Make sure they're all in one spot so you can memorize these. But these are sine, cosine, e to the x, and ln x. So the four common, most common ones anyways. So make sure you write down the first four terms and make sure you get the general term, the nth term, written down. Now we're going to use these to create new power series. So if we want to write, and we've done this before with that substitution idea that we learned back at the beginning of the unit, let's see. Alright, so sine of x squared. If we look at sine of x, all we have to do is take our power series, and we know we have to sub in that input, the new input, which is x squared. So we're replacing all x's with x squared. So we can look at that, and we can plug that in. So the first term is now x squared. Second term is x squared cubed, so that'd be x to the 6th over 3 factorial. And so on and so forth. So we have this x to the 10th over 5 factorial. And we just keep going. Okay, so on down the line. Like this. So now we do the same thing with cosine. Cosine, we're going to be able to plug in our square root of x instead of x's. So first term still stays 1. Second term is going to be just x. Third term is x squared. And the fourth term would be x cubed. And we can keep going with that if we wanted to. And we can replace our general term. All we would have to do is write square root of x here in the x position for our general term. Now looking at e to the x, so x e to the x. We've done one like this before, not exactly like this, but similar. So we have e to the x and we want x e to the x, so all we're doing is multiplying all of our terms by x. So that first term is x, next term would be x squared, next term after that, x cubed over 2 factorial, and we could continue on down the line. Okay? And then this is where it starts getting tricky, and well, not tricky. We've looked at this next one, something similar to it before. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video here. I'm gonna create a new video for the next couple examples, and then we'll talk alternating series.